Have you ever looked at a truck or SUV and thought, wow, those wheels make the whole thing pop? That's probably the work of Ultra Motorsports wheels. These wheels aren't just about looks, they're built for performance, durability, and attitude. If you're into off-roading, hauling, or just love a bold street look, you've probably already seen them in action. But what makes Ultra Motorsports different from all the other wheel brands out there? Is it just about the rugged designs, or is there more going on behind the scenes? In today's video, we're diving deep into what makes Ultra Motorsports wheels a go-to name in the automotive world. From materials to manufacturing to real-world use, we're covering it all. So if you're thinking about upgrading your ride or just love car culture, stick around. Hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives like this, and let's roll into the story. Because Ultra isn't just a name, it's a whole lifestyle on wheels. Ultra Motorsports has been in the game for decades. They're known for producing strong, stylish wheels for trucks, SUVs, Jeeps, and even UTVs. Their mission is simple: combine great design with top-level performance. Whether you're climbing rocks, blasting through mud, or just cruising the streets, they've got a wheel for it. One cool thing? They don't just chase trends, they build what real drivers want. The company started by focusing on durability, and has stayed true to that ever since. They work closely with racers, builders, and enthusiasts to fine-tune every product. Ultra also owns brands like Ultra Wheel and Focal, expanding their reach. They've got a wide catalog, but each wheel still goes through strict testing. That's how they earned their reputation for being reliable and race-proven. Let's talk about what they're made of. Ultra Motorsports uses lightweight aluminum alloy for most of their wheels. Why? Because it's strong, resists corrosion, and helps keep your vehicle's weight down. Lighter wheels mean better acceleration, handling, and fuel economy. Each wheel is either cast or forged, depending on the design and performance need. Forged wheels are stronger and lighter, but more expensive. Cast wheels are more affordable and still tough as nails for everyday use. Ultra ensures every design passes rigorous strength and fatigue tests. They also use CNC machining for perfect finishes and consistent performance, and the attention to detail is unreal, from spoke thickness to bolt pattern precision. So when you buy Ultra, you're not just buying looks, you're buying engineering. Let's be honest, now we all care about how wheels look. Ultra Motorsports nails the aggressive, clean, and performance-driven aesthetic. Their most popular models feature deep lips, split spokes, and bold finishes. You'll see options in matte black, chrome, gunmetal, and even milled accents. The designs range from race-inspired to off-road ready. Whether you're into clean street builds or lifted trucks with attitude, there's something for you. What's great is that the style never feels overdone. It's functional and tasteful. Plus, they keep up with modern trends while staying true to rugged roots. The branding is subtle but iconic, and instantly recognizable to enthusiasts. They also offer different sizes, bolt patterns, and offsets to fit a wide range of vehicles. So yes, Ultra wheels don't just perform, they turn heads too. Here's where things get exciting: real-world use. Ultra Motorsports. Wheels aren't just built to sit pretty in the showroom. These wheels are battle-tested in the dirt, snow, and pavement. Many off-roaders trust Ultra for their trail rigs, Baja-style trucks, and overlanding vehicles. Their wheels have survived rock gardens, deep mud, and high-speed desert runs. The aluminum alloy keeps them lightweight while the structure resists cracking and bending. Even after abuse, they keep their integrity, and that's what matters most. On pavement, drivers report smoother rides and tighter handling thanks to the lighter weight. Some models are even used in racing, so they're up for punishment. They also support beadlock-style designs for serious off-road traction. So whether you're daily driving or pushing limits, these wheels deliver. Let's highlight a few fan-favorite Ultra wheels. The Ultra 195 Crusher is a beast. Strong spokes, big lips, and a bold stance. Then there's the Ultra 203 Hunter, a popular off-road style with aggressive cuts. The Ultra 250 Phantom brings that street racer look with a high-gloss finish. For Jeep and SUV owners, the Ultra Extreme 103 is a rugged choice that performs. Each model has its own vibe, but shares the same commitment to performance. They come in sizes from 15 to 22, depending on the application. You can choose different finishes and even match them with your rig's paint job. They're not just wheels, they're part of your vehicle's personality. And the best part? They're priced competitively, so you get high-end looks without draining your wallet. Let's hit some common questions. Are Ultra wheels good for off-road? Yes, especially their off-road focused lines. Do they fit my truck or SUV? Most likely, since they cover a wide range of bolt patterns. What's the difference between cast and forged? Forged is lighter and stronger, but pricier. Are Ultra wheels made in the USA? Many are designed and engineered here, but some are globally manufactured. Will they rust? No. Aluminum alloy resists corrosion. What tire brands pair well with them? Anything from BF Goodrich to Toyo works great. Do I need special lug nuts? Sometimes. Yes, especially for deep lip or lug cover designs. Do they improve performance? Yes, lighter wheels reduce rotational mass, and finally, are they worth it? If you want strength, style, and price in one package, absolutely. Every product has highs and lows, so let's be real. The pros: strong build quality, aggressive designs, wide variety, and good pricing. They're reliable and backed by a brand with a solid reputation. You get the looks of premium wheels without the $3,000 price tag. They also perform well across different driving conditions. But there are a few cons. Some models may not come with hub-centric rings, which you might need. Availability varies depending on your location or specific truck model. And like all aftermarket wheels, make sure you get the right offset. But overall, the positives far outweigh the negatives. It's a solid choice for anyone upgrading their wheels. Let's talk about what drivers are saying. Many users report their Ultra wheels surviving serious off-road abuse. Others say they were shocked at the quality for the price. One off-roader said his Crushers took a brutal desert run without flinching. A street truck builder praised the Phantom series for its clean design. Jeep clubs love the Extreme line for trail use and overlanding. Even daily drivers love the way their truck stance changes overnight. On forums and YouTube, the feedback is overwhelmingly positive. Reviews highlight ease of installation, compatibility, and long-term strength. Few brands get that kind of across-the-board respect. And that's what sets Ultra apart. It's trusted by people who use their wheels hard. So there you have it. Ultra Motorsports wheels aren't just about style. They're about performance, durability, and standing out on any terrain. If you're looking for wheels that match your truck's power and personality, these are worth checking out. From off-road beasts to clean daily builds, Ultra has something for everyone. And the best part? You don't have to break the bank to get a serious upgrade. We hope this breakdown gave you a better understanding of what makes these wheels tick. Drop a comment below. What wheels are you rocking right now? And would you choose Ultra for your next build? Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more gear reviews and build features. Thanks for watching, and keep rolling strong.